AC Key mobile apps offer convenient ways to safely grant access to authorized individuals in schools. Advanced access control systems allow authorized users to use their mobile devices for access to secured areas. Sophisticated mobile app allows you to send a link to visitors, authorizing their access to specific doors within a set span of time. Visitors receive a link to their temporary access pass via email or text message. With the click of a link, visitors can see their authorized time frame for access, as well as the number of unlocks they have available for use, all without installing an app. Authorized visitors can unlock doors instantly, while security integrity remains intact. Aiphone intercom and access control products provide reliable communication and access control for safer, more secure schools. The superior Aiphone experience. Peace of mind every time.